Now, the first thing that most people do when they're looking for an attorney, if they have friends and family that have gone through a divorce, they typically ask those people. Now, some people don't have that advantage and will go to the internet, and there are different ways to help qualify attorneys on the internet. But I'm going to address specifically when you talk to friends and family who have gone through divorce and ask them about their attorney and talk about whether or not it makes sense to contact their attorney. I'm going to preface this by saying it's really important to vet your legal professionals, and the rule of thumb is to interview 3 different attorneys. So that would be my general rule of thumb to start with. But when you're asking for referrals, it's really important that you ask the right questions of the person who's referring. I get a lot of people calling me and saying, can you just give me the name of an attorney or a couple of attorneys? And I need to know really who are the players and what is the process going to be like, because different attorneys have different skills, and you want to make sure that you find the one that is matched well with you and your soon-to-be ex-spouse or with their attorney, so that the negotiations go as smoothly as possible. And the first thing I would say is, who are the players? What are the personalities of the people you're asking? So if your friend's divorce was very similar and that their marriage was very similar to yours, perhaps the divorce was amicable in the best of cases, then their attorney referral may very well be a good attorney referral. Maybe they mediated and mediation is right for you. If, however, you are in a situation where you're divorcing someone perhaps who has a narcissistic personality disorder or some sort of mental illness, a mediation is probably not the best place for you, and getting a referral for a mediator will not necessarily be the best thing for you. So you want to make sure that you understand the process that they went through, not just the legal process such as mediation, collaborative divorce, or whether they litigated, but the process, the people, the players. Were they similar to you? Were they different? Did they need a really, really strong and tough attorney where you really just need somebody to help mediate an agreement? Did they mediate an agreement and you need a litigator who's going to be really tough and help you really achieve your goals for divorce? So I encourage you, when you're looking for an attorney, it's not just my friend used them and they love them. Sometimes that's the right thing. Sometimes it turns out perfectly. But a lot of times, just like every marriage was different, every divorce is different, and every attorney that you engage or process that you engage should be specific to you and your situation. So that's my tip this week. Make sure that you vet your options, but that you know that you're vetting the right people to begin with by asking the right questions of the person who is referring you to those attorneys. If you'd like a little more information, if you'd like to help, like someone to help you ask the right questions and know what those questions are to ask, please feel free to check out my website, thedivorcierge.com, or send me an email, Karen@thedivorcierge.com.